Hi, my name is Ben. Some of you may also know me as Rarban 8, and today I'm going to show you how we came up with the pirates. For the longest time in DarkOrbit, there were the same old maps and only the old enemies to pew down. And only 3 factions. That is about to change. We will show you what we had to do to come up with the whole idea for the pirates and what we need to do to implement them into the game. At first there's the idea. The game needs more explosions. If we come up with something, we first need to discuss it. When there is some sort of agreement that the idea is A, not completely messed up, and B, can be implemented into the game, the planning goes on. Game designers like me are then trying to figure out how the new stuff should work. After we have a rough idea, we will give that to our graphics team, who will make our ideas look good. Like the explosion of the Barracuda, for example.
Hey, we are the art department of DarkOrbit, and when we get the idea of the game design, we do a concept first, and then we realize the stuff in 3D.
Then our Java guys start working on the actual gameplay mechanics, how stuff works in-game.
We put the features, the logic of every new feature into the game.
And of course, stuff gets more complicated on the way.
I take the explosion graphics from the artist, put it into the client, tie it to a game server command and test around with it.
And again, more complicated. It is not without risk to just add stuff to the game. We give it to the quality management to check it and to see if, well, everything checks out. If they find a bug, they give it back to the programmers to fix it.
We are responsible for checking the documents and having a look if everything is implemented as intended and working.
When everything is tested and checks out, it can be zero. The process of putting all the stuff, new content, bug fixes, and all that on the live servers. Usually this happens on a Wednesday. That is why there are some scheduled ups and downs on that day. And of course all of this takes longer than just a few minutes, but we wanted to show you that it's a long process to put something new into the game, especially when we encounter an error and have to trace where it came from. But now we hope you will enjoy the new maps, the pirates, and all the new things we will put into the game.